So this was unplanned. Well, hey y'all, it's your girl Kai Rashawn. Today's video is brought to you by Nadula Hair. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. Now listen, okay, listen. Before you get into this video, just know I did not plan on doing this to my wig. We ran into some things and I had to save my wig with the wrap. So if you want to see and hear what I'm talking about, make sure you stay tuned for that. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Nadula Hair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. For you guys today. Shout out one more time to Nadula Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon codes for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye. Nadula.